What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, often abbreviated as AI, refers to the ability of machines or computer programs to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks include learning from data, recognizing patterns, making decisions, understanding language, and even perceiving visual information. At its core, AI is about creating systems that can solve problems, adapt new information, and improve their performance over time without being explicitly programmed for every situation. Some common examples of AI in our daily lives include voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant, which understand spoken language and respond intelligently. Recommendation systems used by platforms like Netflix, YouTube, and Amazon to suggest movies, videos, or products based on your preferences. Facial recognition technology in smartphones and security systems. Chatbots used in customer service to answer questions and assist users. Self driving cars that perceive their surroundings and make driving decisions in real time. AI is a broad field that encompasses several subfields such as machine learning, techniques that allow computers to learn from data and make predictions or decisions. Deep learning, a type of machine learning, uses neural networks to model complex patterns in data. Natural language processing (NLP), enabling machines to understand, interpret, and generate human language. Computer vision, helping machines interpret and analyze visual information like images and videos. Robotics, integrating AI into machines that can perform physical tasks in real world. Artificial intelligence has evolved significantly over the past decades, moving from basic rule based systems to sophisticated models capable of outperforming human in specific tasks, such as playing chess or recognizing objects in images. Despite its rapid progress, it's important to remember that current AI systems are specialized, meaning they are designed to excel at particular tasks but lack the general intelligence and reasoning ability of human being. In this course, we will explore how AI works, understands the technology that power it, and learn how to build AI systems ourselves. By the end, you will have a clear understanding of what AI truly is and how it is shaping the world around us.